Automation isn't coming, it's already here. And those who understand it today will dominate tomorrow. While most are still doing things the old way, few are learning how to build systems, scale their output, and reduce hours of work with lines of code. This video isn't just about what automation is, it's about why it's rewriting the rules of success in every industry, and why you must get ahead of it now before you become obsolete in your own work. So let's get on to understanding why this even matters in the first place. Every major industry is being disrupted by automation, from marketing to finance to healthcare. Along with the rapid advancements in AI, companies are cutting costs and boosting productivity by automating anything they possibly can. And this isn't just about big companies, it's about the change happening around you. The brands you buy from, the apps you use, heck, even the job you're training for, it's all changing much faster than most people realize. Companies that automate are scaling much faster, while others are struggling to keep up. Let's just compare a startup that automates its customer support with chatbots versus one that relies on manual responses. The automated one serves 100 times more customers with fewer employees. In a world where speed equals skill, the manual team simply can't keep up. That's the difference automation makes. It levels the playing field for those who use it and leaves everyone else behind. So let's talk about real-world examples of automation in action. And this isn't theory, this is happening right now across industries. And no industry shows this shift more clearly than tech. Developers are using tools like GitHub Copilot and Tab9, which act like AI coding assistants. These tools can generate entire blocks of code with a single comment. What used to take hours can now be done in minutes. A dev sprint that took 5 people a week, now handled by 2 in a day. It isn't just speeding things up, it's redefining what productive means. On the infrastructure side, companies are running self-healing systems using AI ops. Now imagine this, something breaks in your code or server, and the system fixes it before any human even notices. That's not futuristic, that's today. Amazon, Netflix, and Google already use these systems to manage massive operations with minimal human intervention. Automation isn't replacing developers, it's turning them into high-level operators. If you know how to use the tools, you'll become 10 times more valuable. Moving on, let's be real, the old way of doing marketing is dead. You don't necessarily need a 10% team to write emails or design ad copy anymore. Generative AI like ChatGPT and Jasper AI are automating all of it. One prompt and boom, you've got email sequences, social media captions, and even high converting ad headlines. Companies are scaling their marketing without scaling their teams. Email campaigns that used to take days now get built in under an hour, tested, personalized, and optimized with minimal effort. And that's not even the best part. Lead generation, automated. Customer support, hands-free. This is exactly how solopreneurs are competing with Fortune 500s. They're not working harder, they're automating smarter. Now let's get on to automation's impact on finance. Wall Street isn't what it used to be. High-frequency AI trading bots now execute thousands of trades in milliseconds, analyzing live market data and adjusting in real time. Humans simply can't match that speed or skill. Even retail investing apps are now integrating AI for smarter portfolio decisions. And it's not just trading. AI is transforming how financial institutions assess risk. It now scans thousands of data points, including credit scores, trends, and even behavior, to assess risk faster than full teams. If that wasn't enough, today, solo founders are building 6 and even 7-figure businesses without large teams, because automation does the heavy lifting. ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai create blog posts, emails, product descriptions, and even full courses in minutes. Sales funnels are built with platforms like ClickFunnels, Zapier, and ActiveCampaign, automating lead capture, nurturing, and conversion 24/7. Even customer support is now handled by chatbots and AI-driven help desks. Take Danko, for example. He built a one-person brand making over $1 million a year using digital products, automation tools, and optimized funnels. No office, no team, just systems. What used to take an entire team now needs one person and the right tools. So what does this mean for you? Manual and repetitive jobs are at risk. So here's the harsh truth. The future does not care if you're ready. It's moving with or without you. Capitalism is ruthless, and businesses have already started cutting labor through automation. If you're not on the side using automation, you're on the side getting replaced by it. And you don't even need to be a programmer to benefit. No code tools are making automation accessible, but no code is powerful for quick wins. Long term innovation that still demands real coding skills and knowledge to create custom solutions. It's time you understand that things have changed. What worked then does not work now. No longer can you just sit and hope for some miracle to occur. Opportunity is staring you right in the face. You just have to grab it. Learn AI-powered automation tools like Zapier and Make.com and learn to code. I'll always prioritize learning to code before anything else. If you're a student, a solo creator, or someone wondering how to break out, this is your advantage. The rules have changed. The question is, will you? So, the game's changing. You either learn how to build a system or get replaced by it. Your success is in your hands. Begin using automation to your advantage. Comment automation if you made it this far, and I'll know you're serious. Major companies have already begun to reinvent their operational strategies using automation and AI. If you don't take action, you'd miss out on another opportunity. So on that note, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.